Hai, apa kabar semua? Bandung, kumaha damang? Jaga barang Anda, juga pacar Anda. 3, 2, 1. Playlist Live Festival 2023. Coming up next. Please welcome your favorite performance, SB19.
Show me what you got, let's go. What's from the I want some, I get some, no later. I woke up a baked damn potato. Got God to shake me from major, but I say me, not mediocre. You tell me what you see, a Gucci, but the real question is really me. A movie that but nothing not my reality. It's Gucci, model me, ew. I get it. Damn, gonna see you later. Pagkatapos ko mag-shower, medyo ramdam ko ng power. Pero kulang pa sa sour, mga hater kaya hindi mo mga bagay-bagay pwedeng alis sa aking bahay. Tahimik lang daw ang matibay, pati na pag talagang mag-ingay. Gento, dito basta-basta bino. Makumbento parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Dahil mo kayang pupunan, makakita lang ng ginto. Kahit na wala pang hinto. Pasyento, bawat bitaw ko. Mismo, eto kaya mo? Pagkapos ko dito makakakita ng gento. 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 Di ko basta-basta makakakita ng ginto. Di ko na kailangan lumungok ng bato, hindi malada na to. Aandar ang makina ko, tanging mekaniko. Ay ako, nanamoni-moni ko. Sa daming pinagdaan, nagpatong ng historiko. Soso mga chismoso, lili pumanik na rito. Talaga madali, kami rumanoni. Sa likod ng mga trumampe, yung anak kong hapdi, balisto. Laging na listo, ay basi na visto. Hindi pa nag-base mo, na-base ko.
No rush, you can do this all day. If I'm a daddy, then let go back. Saka dura with the hard world I play. Walang hungko, sakin sa salba kahit away. Ito na kahit tuloy mawala na magdadadada. Pagkakuha ng mga diretso sa gabagababa. Ako naggaling sa lupa, kahit palitin mo mukha, hindi mo makukuha.
Yeah, I know this isn't over. Di pa tapos ang disaster. Alam ko na I'm in danger, pero gusto na magiging better. Kaya alamin ang mga bagay-bagay. Pwede tambay sa aking bahay. Lahat ng mataas ang kilay, sinugin ang matuto ng magalay. Dito, makumbento parang bento. Gento, ano kaya mo? Pilitahin mo kayang bumbunan, makakita lang ng ginto. Kahit na wala pang ginto. Gento, bitaw ko. Mismo, ikaw sa ano? Di ka basta-basta makakakita ng ginto. Ano kaya mo na parang gento? Huwag gamitin to sa ordinaryo. Kahit masige hanggang sa madugo. Basta makakakita ng gento. Gento. Ano kaya mo na parang gento? Huwag gamitin sa ordinaryo. Kahit masige hanggang sa madugo. Basta makakakita nito.
What is up, Indonesia? My name is Josh.
Hi everyone, I'm Stel.
What's up? I'm Pablo.
I'm Justin.
Hello semuanya, my name is Ken.
We are
SB19!
and we're from the Philippines.
How are
evening
you
to everyone.
guys? How are you guys tonight? Can I hear your energy, guys, one more time? How are you, Indonesia?
Oh, woo! I hope we can keep that energy until later tonight, guys. Can you give us more energy? Woo!
Okay, so we just want to check how's everyone at the back. How's everyone at the back?
You're doing good.
How about the people here in the left? Wow. Of course, the people at the right. How are you guys? Wow, that's the energy. Thank you, guys.
But I think Ken prepared something for everyone.
Of course. I just want to say, salamat malam semuanya. Kami SB19 dari Philippines. Sa harapan kami nikmati pinampilang kami dan terima kasi telah datang. Thank you so much.
Wow.
I practice it. I practice it really hard.
I feel like you're a local here.
No.
Okay, since I think everyone is ready for our next song.
Yeah, next
Yeah,
song.
of course. This song, the next song we're going to perform for you today, is called I Want You. So let's go.
Ain't nobody better for you, promise this is my life. So it's more than a physical attraction, it's a passion, baby. I'll get die for you. You ever doubt it? How about it, baby? If you're gonna love it, honey, it's all about running. Hold down, say it never, question. I want you, and ain't nobody else is gonna do. So every single time I go through and get it, I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you, I wanna fall on my knees, beg for your body on me. Girl, I want you, you know how I like it. Girl, I want you, just how I like it. You got me open, I got it bad. I ain't gonna run, you can take what you want, baby, all to the head. Said if it's for you or you, I hate you today. See everything new for you, I'm changing the face. Fresh.
Follow the words that you want. Why on my heart, I've already fallen.
Ooh, head over heels, ain't no way to stop it. It never lasts. I want you, ain't nobody else is gonna do. So every single time I go through, get it, I'm addicted to the way that you touch me. I want you, I wanna fall on my knees, beg for your body on me. 'Cause I want you, you know how I
Thank you so much, guys. I hope you liked that performance. That song was I Want You, and it is part of our latest EP, Pagtatag. And Pagtatag means strengthening, so I hope you could listen to it in all music platforms online. Thank you.
And yes, we hope that song, you guys enjoy that. That's I Want You again. And for our next song, this song, we're going a little bit slower. So we're going to perform one of our favorite ballad songs tonight. So I hope you guys will enjoy our next performance. And yeah, if you have time, please do search SB19 on all music platforms. And our latest EP, Pagtatag, you can search it online everywhere. Okay, for our next song, this is Ilaw and Mapa.
Kanina ay nahuli ang aking sarili, nagkangiti na naman at nagpupuli. Ng tunay na kailanman ay di ko maipagsasabi na naman.
Pagdating sa aking tahanan ay hindi ko na naman mahanap aking susi. Sa ang lupalan ko ito na itabi, pasintabi na naman.
Nahihilo na sa inyo, nasana na ba sa sarili ko pagkatao? Sino pagdating ka sa mga kulong ka, kahit bakit sumigaw malabo? Tao ko, pakinggan mo naman ako. Dati nga, subukang buksan ang bukas na magpinta, nang tuluyan ang makita nyo, tunay na ako, di nagtatago. Sa likod ng bumubulag na ilang taon, napapamuni-muni sa tawalan ng huni. Di mapapirmi aking sarili. Ilang ba ang dahilan kung ako ngayon nasaktan? Ngunit kailangan kong magpahinga, patayin ang ilabas na mandala. Pinagkalang magbabago, kabayaran ba dito'y sa piling ko'y padala ko? Sino bang may tenga sa mga pulong ko, kahit bakit sumigaw ay malabo? Tao ko, pakinggan nyo naman ako. Di na subukang buksan ang bukas ng pinta, nang tuluyan ang makita nyo, tunay na ako, di nagtatago. Sa likod ng bumubulag na ilang bato. Ito na naman ako, patungo sa presinto. Naisip ko kung ano-ano, kailan bang naya ko dito. Ito na naman ako, pwede kong ipagpaliban muna ng isang linggo. Pwede mo na bang hinto? Papalapin, ako papalapin, pagkasin lang pag nang bawang magpangit kong paa, patungo sa lugar kung saan ayaw ko pumunta. Wala na ba iba? Wala na ba? Patuloy ang aking paghahanap sa buhay.
Sino?
Sino tenga sa mga bulong ko? Kahit bago sumigaw ay malabo, malabo, malabo. Sino pumiting sa mga bulong ko? Kahit bago sumigaw ay malabo, malabo,
If you know this song, can you sing with us? I want y'all to put your flashlights up. Can you put your flashlights up? Your lights?
Mama, kumusta na di na? Dahil lagi nakikita, miss na kita sobra. Lagi na lang kami ang nauna. Di ba pwedeng ikaw muna? Akin ang pangamba. Dahil ikaw ang aking mata. Sa tuwing mundo'y nag-iiba ang dahilan ng aking paghinga. Kaya huwag mag-alala, ipigit ang matatang. Pahinga muna, ako nang bahala. Labis pa sa labis ang iyong nagawa, mama. Pahinga muna, ako na. Mga bagay na buhay ang may dala. Dala ko ay bawat bayo at hanggang sa dulo. Magkalayo man tayo, ako'y tatayo. Pangako tatay ko. Di ba sabihin ko'y kakaban na yung pag-ingat.
Okay, you ready? You want more? You want more?
You guys ready to party for tonight?
I don't care if you don't know the song. Let's get ready to party! This is Crimson!
All right, let's go.
18 Indonesia.
Yeah. Minus one, yeah! Come on, let's go! Run, now we run. We go hard like we lose nothing. Now it's done. On the sun, slicing, dicing in the sun. Now we run, we go hard like we lose none. On the sun, slicing, dicing in the sun. Now we run, we go hard like we lose none. On the sun, slicing, dicing in the sun.
Get it, sweat it, hey. I just live it, now they change. These suckers specific at me. Stop the cow play ball. Suka bang mo change sa YG. PBS sa ulit mo na Nike. Too cold on my skin stand. Get it, play in my back, who can stop me?
Copy, not me, never been sloppy. Been a long time, but your boys are bossy. Hot outside, but I'm next so bossy. Pull up a deep for the same old posse. Yo, too easy, basta kang mga sulat ka lamosi. Bakit mo kakapilit, huwag kang magumulit. Asa ka pa na mag-aang the one and only. Sige, sige, believe it. Nang walang pagsisisi. Tuwis mo lahat hanggang magkataya mo. Ituya ko kuha sa pagkisuhan mo. Kahit pa na alam.
Now we run, we go hard like we lose none. On the sun, slicing, dicing in the dirt. Now we run, we go hard like we lose none. On the sun, slicing, dicing in the dirt. We won't never get up Nino. We're trying to farm it like Nemo. Get down with your double crosses, just do Fedorino. We don't give a fuck. Kasi nga alam ko na what to do. Kasi nation, para mawala na ang world. Hindi ka na reason to grow.
I don't wanna make it rain.
Kumabot tayo ang iyong girl.
You can blame me, I'm insane. Di ba pinag-ilan natin between?
I got bustin' in my name.
One, two, got two, asunte.
Cause I ain't losing this game.
Sige, don't care if you believe me. Di ako magsisi. Buwang ibibigay ko sa kaluluwa ko. Ito lang tayo. Basta parang luhan ko. Di ba bakit namin alam? Now we run, we go hard like we lose none. On the sun, slicing, dicing in the sun. Now we run, we go hard like we lose none. On the sun, slicing, dicing in the sun. Now guys, get the next moment. We wanna see you boy guys jumping. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Now we run, we go hard like we lose none. And now it's done. On the sun, slicing, dicing in the sun. Let's go. Let it drip, 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 drip. Let it drip, 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 drip. Ah yeah. Drip, 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 drip. We know it. Let it drip, drip, drip. Let it drip.
We're
Thank you so much.
Yes, thank you so much for having us and for all the organizers for making this happen. Live festival. Thank you so much for having us here. It is a big opportunity for us, and I hope you can follow us in all of our social media platforms, SB19 official or official SB19 for more updates.
Thank you so much. And did you know that we are also celebrating our 5th anniversary in the industry? So I hope you can check out our social media account because we are celebrating our anniversary through a fan meet in the Philippines. But please, guys, don't worry because there's a live streaming that is available online. So I hope you could check it out. Thank you.
Yes, to all the promoters and sponsors, once again, thank you so much. And thank you as well to the production staff, and the whole festival team.
Yes, thank you so much, Playlist Live, for this wonderful event to gather all the amazing artists all around the world. Thank you so much. And of course, thank you for Sony Music Philippines and ASEAN Korea Festival Round for supporting us. Maraming salamat. And to all the Filipinos watching us tonight, maraming salamat. Yeah. Mabuhay po kayo. Keep on supporting artists all over the world. Maraming salamat po. We hope we can come back here next time.
Lastly, I'd just like to thank everyone who came here to support your artists. Mabuhay kayong lahat. You guys are great. Great crowd. And thank you, 18, for all your support. Thank you for believing in our music. I love you all.
Yes, but before we go, can we request something? Can we have a group fee or a picture? Can we do it? Can we have a picture?
Yeah. Picture with everyone.
Come here, sorry.
This is for a remembrance with you guys. Let's have a picture.
Yeah. There's a photo, the photographer. Thank you.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Everybody, let's shout Playlist Live in 1, 2, 3.
Playlist Live.
One more time. 3, 2, 1.
Playlist Live.
All right. Thank you so much, Indonesia.
Thank you
Thank
once
you.
again.
We really enjoyed our stay here. Maybe we'll go back again next time for more performance for you guys. Thank you again so much.
I'm seeing something over there. It says, Dirgahayu Josh Khaled.
Wow.
Does it mean happy birthday?
Yes, I think so. So can we greet Josh a happy birthday?
Oh, thank you.
Woo! Happy birthday to you.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
Happy birthday.
Oh, wow.
Hey.
Wow. How did you get here? So, I wish that I would see everyone who watches today in the future. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Playlist Live. Thank you for celebrating my birthday with me.
Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much, everyone. Again, we really enjoyed our stay here in Indonesia, and we hope to see you again next time. And please do support our group SB19. You can search us on all music platforms, and you can search our name on all social media platforms. Maraming salamat.
Ako, cinta kailan semua. Thank you so much. Once again,
I'm Justin.
I'm Stel.
I'm Josh.
I'm Pablo.
I'm Ken.
We are
SB19.
Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
You guys are the best.
Thank you so much. We love you guys.